Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a follower of tech news, you might have seen the news item. Well, if not, this is another bit of news for today. There's a lot going on. It's the Consumer Electronics Show. That's always something that lots of info are coming out of. Well, Microsoft has announced, Satya Nadella actually announced, that Microsoft will be investing $80 billion into AI servers, data centers around the world. And it's a huge amount of money. And of course, what that shows is that Microsoft wants to keep track and keep on top of being the AI king from all companies. Now, this is pretty amazing when you think about the fact that a lot of researchers are actually saying, you know what, we should take a break from AI data centers because companies like, for example, Google, Microsoft, and Meta together are consuming enough energy for data centers that actually would power 100 countries. It's totally nuts and totally crazy. And what they're saying is that now these data centers will need power and we'll need to have more and more power, and we might be in a power crisis by the end of the year with all of the AI going on and the data centers being built. But closer to Microsoft, there's something interesting happening. Copilot is, of course, one of the focus, and internally, some employees and some departments are kind of saying, you know what? Most people find that Copilot isn't useful, or it's rather gimmicky, and there's nothing really useful about it. So all of that makes some part of Microsoft employees say, why are you investing so much in something that people don't really like and don't want, or if they do try to use it, it just doesn't work really well. And so this is another question, because I think we all agree that there are things it does that, okay, it does it well and does it okay. I've actually had the occasion to try it with creation of texts about some subjects. Yeah, it's surprising, but also at the same time, it is not top-notch quality, and it does suffer from a lot of problems too. So we'll see what that brings, and we'll see if that $80 billion pays off. Definitely, Microsoft is investing a heavy amount of money into AI. And is AI still the future? Remember how many things that we talk about in the last 10 years that were the moment, the new feature, the new thing, and that we don't even talk about again today? Is AI in the same boat? We'll see. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.